One of the worst things that can happen to your income after you work hard in building it online is actually losing it. And I think we could all agree that if we take the time to post hundreds or even thousands of videos, write tons of emails, or even just spend hours getting customers in those products and services that we are selling, we do not want to have to start all over every single month. So in this video, I'm going to give you some key things that you should think about that hardly anyone is actually teaching before you go out there and pick something that you want to sell long term. My name is The Real Robin Williams. If you don't know who I am, and the first thing I'm going to cover is the actual product or service that you're going to be selling. So, the one thing I think you should look at after you decided, okay, this is probably the niche I want to break down and serve in and sell these products. The one thing I think you should look at is the product something that someone is going to sell, or excuse me, someone is going to buy without your company existing? Meaning, are they going to go out there and get that product no matter what? For instance, I resell a funnel builder tool, and it is one of the top products that maintains its customers. Why? Because people build their businesses on those platforms. And even if they failed at building a single page in their business, they tend to want to keep it, right? Building a funnel in your business is one of the top requirements that business owners usually discover that they need in order to have success. It may not guarantee them success, but is on the top list to have in order to gain success. They need a website. They need a way to have people discover the information in their company or their tools or product. And they need a way to process their business in an automated way. So while they are sleeping, people are actually consuming their content. They're consuming their freebies. They're consuming their paid content. They're actually able to purchase right from the funnel area. So that is something companies don't want to ever do without. Now, there are some companies that don't have them, but ultimately, the mass majority of business owners are going to want their websites and their funnels put in place, or else they are dead in the water and they can lose over 90% of their income, if not all. So, when you're choosing a product, definitely think about whether or not that product is going to be something that they're going to want to keep. And what this does is it may not maintain every single customer 100% of your customers forever, but it will maintain a large majority of your customers, which will reduce the turnover rate for your product, and therefore you will be able to maintain better residuals. Your job will be to just find new customers, to help with the people who may have fallen off, help with the actual drop in income, and to continue to have your income grow. The second part that hardly no one is talking about, but is extremely important, is you have to watch who's actually owning the company, who's in charge of the company, what their integrity is looking like. Are they successful in building this type of business? Are they successful in maintaining it? Are they known for actual failed businesses after failed business? Are they known for failed business after failed business? You want to actually see this because you can have the best product possible. But if you have someone inside the company who is leading that product or service and they are a little shaky, whether it be that they have never done a successful business before, maybe everything that they touch failed, maybe they done some little shady things in the background on other companies. You want to look and see that, because you can have the best product, and if a person, regardless of how good that product is, if they destroy that business, that residual is still gone. Okay, people will drop a business if they smell fishiness going on. So you want to be careful in that aspect. And this last thing, and this video is not all inclusive, but I wanted to talk about your company actually helping you make as much money as possible. Do they have websites for you to go out there and put in front of your ideal prospect? Do they have training to help you put your content out there the right way so that you can get it in front of the right people and they'll buy from you because you know how to market? A lot of people think just because they have something like a website or a cool tool that does some weird tricks that they are going to automatically be successful, and that is further from the truth. What you want to do is make sure that you're set up for as much success as possible. And this varies greatly with every company that you may choose to go and sell for. I've seen companies where they have one link and they give you the link and you have to know what to do with it. There's no training on how to go out there and promote it. There's literally going to be you having to tell people to buy this product or buy this service and use my link. And depending on your level of skills, you may be successful in getting some sales. But what I love is to be able to get as many sales as possible from people all over the world who I've never met before, whether it be on platforms like Facebook or one of my favorite platforms is YouTube. But you want to make sure that that company is having your residual income in mind, basically. And it's not just the training, it's also how much are they paying you. Are they paying you 5%, or are they paying you something like I'm getting paid in this company, which is 80% commission? Are they stopping your referral payments after 1 year, even if your customers are active, or are they paying you for the lifetime of your customer? These are things that you want to look for. So what I want you to do right now is write down, or not write down, but type any questions you have about what you should be looking for as far as finding an affiliate company and building residual income. So just type those questions down there and I'll be sure to answer them either in video or comment or reply back to you. But ultimately, I want to know, what is it that you're looking for to help find your ideal product so that you can build residual income on a consistent basis. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you really quick the platform I'm using that has been helping me for almost 10 years now earn residual income online. And the longevity that they've had so far is one of those things that I tell people to look for if you can. Like when I started this company, it was no longevity at the time, but I looked at the person, I looked at the quality of the products, the content. I looked at the people who were leading the company and ultimately made my decision based on the information I had in front of me. Let me jump on over here to share really quick. So what you see right here is a platform. I'm going to focus only on one part of this platform, mainly because it resonates with what I've been talking about inside of this system. Even though we have people that keep this particular product, which is a gold app, forever, I'm not going to cover that. We also have a good amount of people who keep premium. I myself have had it for the entire 10 years that I've been with this company. And it is a major piece of my business, not only on the earning aspect, but also on getting my business out there in front of the right people. And then we have Financial Literacy Academy, which you can kind of get an idea of what that's about. But let's focus on the Funnel Builder Academy right here. This is one of those products that I was telling you about. This is actually a system where you can build pages, you can generate your traffic, you can set up automation, build your list, sell your products, give away freebies, do membership site. And we do it for a very reasonable price, which I love. It's only $25 per month. And this product itself is able to retain a lot of customers, mainly because it's a website that people don't want to get rid of. All of the products that you see back here, right here, are 80% commission, which is lucrative for your pocket. So for every $25 spent with me inside of this platform, I'm able to generate $20 commissions. And it'll be the same for you if you decided that you wanted to promote something like this. If you don't have any products to start with, I definitely recommend that you check out this company, because this is the number one company that's going to do everything possible for you to win. For instance, over here I have the affiliate links. You won't go hungry on having content to give to people. You have a turnkey system that'll help people who also want to earn money. In fact, you can find a link to the turnkey system to take your free tour at the bottom of this video in the description, so that you can check it out for yourself if you're looking for a system and tools to help you earn online, as well as use for existing things that you're actually promoting. But as you can see, I have my affiliate links down here. I have a slew of affiliate links. I can search for them, depending on what I want to find. I can search for my affiliate links here, but ultimately, if I keep scrolling down, I can go and grab my different affiliate links that provided to me at no additional cost. And this is just one resource to help me make money. Even if I was brand new getting started and I wanted to start driving traffic, I would come here, watch this video, and I'll have a way to drive traffic, to help me drive traffic to this offer. So this is an example of what you can do inside of a business, or what you can expect inside of a great company that has your money, your pocket in mind, right? And that's going to pay you 80% on every dollar. So, other than that, just in case you're curious, I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to the income calculator, which is one of my favorite pieces to give you a visual on what you can do here in this company. Please keep in mind that, this is based on your efforts and your ability to pay attention to the training, follow it each and every day as much as possible, as much as you can. You don't have to be perfect, obviously, but ultimately, when you come here, you can put in your goal. Let's just say your goal is to make $5,000. You calculate it, and it will give you how many customers you would need to make $5,000 per month. That's 40 customers, which is amazing. And then it'll break down by the products that I just shared with you. These are our residual products. So you have Let's Go app, you have the funnel builder, and then you also have the premium plan, which is going to help you get people in front of your offers to buy your stuff. So that's important. So ultimately, if you want to check this whole system out, just click the link at the description below and it'll give you a tour of this system. But hopefully the information I told you inside of this whole video, hopefully it helps you pick something that's ideal for you, and it's not just hot air I'm blowing at you on the camera. This stuff works. I see you on the top. This is Robin Williams. Peace.